Hi, this is Dr. Sheila Sapp of Sheila E. Cares Educational Consulting and Services, and I hope you are doing well today. And if this is your first time visiting my channel, I am a retired educator, an author, a coach, a mentor, and I love working with children and families and students. And today I want to briefly show you a couple of activities that you might want to try. It's very easy to do. It doesn't require a lot of materials. And I will be using a hanger. As a matter of fact, I have two different types of hangers and some clothespins. So let's start with the first activity. As you can see, this is a hanger that you'll find in the store. And what I did was simply, we're going to be learning about word families. And this is the ACT word family. And I have a brown envelope. It looks yellow here, but it is brown. And what I'm going to do is, I have some cards, and on the cards, I've written some beginning consonant sounds. There's H and B. And what your child will do is go in the envelope and pick out the beginning sound. And so they will be able to practice their auditory blending, B-at, and see if they pronounce the word bat. And once they have made the words, and of course I have other consonants here, you can have them use the word in a sentence or come up with their very own stories. That's one activity. And here is another activity using a hanger and some clothespins. And you can use this to practice math facts, or for instance, let's say we are learning about the number numeral 5. So you can hold the number 5 up and have them count out 5 clothespins. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So you get the idea. Real simple. Index cards, a magic marker, a clothes hanger, and some clothespins. Now, another way that you can use this is number families. So let's say we're learning about 5. So they can have 2 plus 3 equals 5. And then they can write the number sentence. I have a little board here. And of course, they can use a piece of paper. So they're learning about 5. And so that was 2 plus 3 equals 5. Then they can come up with a different number sentence. Let's say, what does 4 plus 1, does that equal 5? And of course, they can add it together and write another number sentence. 4 plus 1 equals 5. So you get the idea for this. So this is really very simple and easy to do. And of course, many of us have clothes hangers that we get either from the store or from bringing our clothes back from the cleaners. So that's an idea. And I'm sure that you've probably thought of maybe 5 different other ways that you can use this. Here's something else that I did with a clothespin. I wrote the number 7 and taped it to a clothespin. And if you save store coupons that you get in the newspaper or the pictures, then they can cut out 7 items and clip them on the 7 clothespin. Let's say we are looking for words that have the short A sound. Then of course, they can also look for pictures that when they say the picture, name of the picture, they hear and then they clip it on the clothespin. So you can use that for numbers, long vowels, short vowels. So that's another idea. And I wanted to remind you that summer is just around the corner. So if you haven't come up with some plans for your children or your child, things that they can do to maintain those skills during the summer, you are welcome to contact me and take advantage of my offer of a free 30-minute consult chat. I will leave my contact information in the description box below. And I would be happy to talk with you and help you come up with a plan for your child or children that'll meet their needs. So you take care and watch for my next video, and I'll show you something else that you can make. Now, I want you to note that many of the items that I will show you are things that are cost effective. I spend a lot of time in Dollar General, Dollar Tree, or Walmart and picking up items that I can use to make activities. So you take care and be safe. And don't forget, Sheila E. cares. Bye.